Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the new battle update Prodigy, so let's get into the video. So the new battle update just came out, and in case you're wondering, the most powerful element is physical. And there's also another new element called healing, but there isn't any pets that have this as their main element. So this isn't a great update. I don't see why Prodigy did it. They said that they did it because people didn't like how the one that they had currently looked, but I don't think that a lot of people hated it. It was actually, like, a good thing. I don't see why they changed it. But it is in beta, so it might not get added. Hopefully it won't, though. But knowing Prodigy, it probably will get added to the game. So yeah, now I'm going to be telling you how to get this account. It is pretty easy, but it could take a very long time. So what you're going to want to do is make a new account. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that because I'm fairly sure 99.9% of you know how to make a new account. So this could take you close to 20, 30. Someone I'm pretty sure on the Prodigy Wiki got almost 50 attempts at this. And they got it on like the 47th. I was lucky and I got it on my second attempt. So yeah, you guys have to be patient. And yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. That is how you get the new update. You cannot currently get it on your main account. You can only get it on new accounts. And it is kind of sad that you cannot get it on your main account. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helped you, and bye.